Thank you. Okay, ready? Go. It's a good time to be gay. From partner benefits and gay marriage to Queer Eye and lesbian cruises, lesbians and gays have unprecedented access to public life. At the same time, we continue to be second-class citizens. Heterosexual family life remains the privileged form of intimacy, homophobia is rampant, and gaining acceptance often means leaving other identities and experiences behind, downplaying class, race, and gender difference, and not acting too gay. Ang Lee's 2005 movie, Brokeback Mountain, shows up this contradiction. Same-sex love in the film is natural, sexy, and real, just like regular love. At the same time, it is doomed. We long for Jack and Innes to make a real good life together, but in the end, we accept that homosexuality is an impossible and tragic way of life. As we celebrate recent advances, we need to insist on social transformation that goes all the way down. If we don't, gay life may continue to get airtime, but it will still be just so brokeback.